subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Black Shark 3 and Black Shark 3 Pro in March this year, the company has now launched another gaming-centric phone under the same lineup in China called Black Shark 3S. And although it looks similar to Black Shark 3, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Black Shark 3S supports a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and the screen supports 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. For gaming, the company has added 2 additional trigger buttons on the right edge, and it also has 4 dock points on the rear to connect additional gaming accessories. The device packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Black Shark 3S features a triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. The AAA cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At the front, it has 20MP selfie camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Joy UI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4729 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging, and it also supports magnetic charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with advanced cooling system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.72 by 77.33 by 10.42 millimeters, and it weighs around 222 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Black Shark 3S has been priced in China for 12GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in crystal blue and sky cloud black color options, and it will go on sale starting from August 4th. So, what do you guys think of this Black Shark 3S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.